Hi, and welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to use English Reader, a powerful new tool for exploring the digital archive of the PLA Daily, also known as Jiefang Junbao. That's the official newspaper of the Chinese military. The digital archive spans nearly 70 years, starting in 1956. It covers key moments in China's military history, moments that matter for researchers, students, and anyone studying global security. In this archive, you'll find reporting on all the major chapters of China's military history. That includes coverage of the Second Sino-Japanese War from 1937 to 1945, the Korean War of the 1950s, a campaign that directly involved U.S. forces, and the long arc of military modernization in China that began in the late 1970s. All of this content is hosted securely on Eastview's US-based servers, so your research stays protected. And many universities already use this archive as a curriculum resource in courses on military history, international relations, and Chinese security policy. Now, here's the big shift. Until recently, the archive was available only in Chinese. But with English Reader, you can now search and read the entire collection in English. It's powered by AI translation, so even if you don't know a word of Chinese, you can still work with this archive, quickly and easily. What used to be hard to access, even for specialists, is now open to anyone, anywhere, with just a few clicks. Let's see how it works. First, select a year. Then, choose an issue. You'll see a table of contents, initially in Chinese, but just click this tab and you'll get the same table of contents in English. Here's a switch that lets you show excerpts, short summaries of each article. Click on an article title and you'll get the full article translated into English. Quick note here, this is machine-translated content. For citations, we recommend using the original Chinese text. Now let's try searching. We'll type in battle and Yunsan. We found 59 results that match these keywords. 59 articles which mention the Battle of Yunsan City, the first large-scale confrontation between the U.S. Army and the Chinese People's Volunteer Army. Click on any article name, and the article opens in English. Below, you'll see metadata: title, source, page number, and the permanent URL. Use the arrow buttons to move to the next article, or go back to the previous one. And that's it. If you have any questions, or if you'd like to try English Reader for yourself, just email us at info@eastview.com. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring.